Open the carton and take out the motorbike. Mounting the front end. Unscrew the bar bolt, remove the spacer and insert the handlebar into the fork steerer. Tighten the stem bolts. Unfold the stem and adjust the handlebar position. Then tighten the stem clamping bolt, adjusting the front end. Loosen stem cover bolts and adjust handlebar angle. Installation of wheels. Remove the plastic protective cover for the front caliper brake. Secure the front wheel with order of safety washer, flat washer, axle nut. Installation of wings with headlights. Slide the front fender in between wheel and fork and screw it to the fork ridge, then secure it to the fork legs on both sides. Assembling the rear mudguard. Loose the bolt from frame lower bridge and reposition the rear fender to retighten the fender. Installation of pedals. Tighten the right pedal clockwise, fit it to the right crank position. On the other side it's the other way round. Installation of seats. Rotate it into place, secure the seat post, quick release.